Hi, I'm Nick, head technician at Dorman Proving Grounds. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a loose sliding door handle on 2008 and later Dodge and Chrysler minivans. These vehicles have a unique weakness that causes the door handle mount to break, and Dorman has developed an exclusive OE FIX solution to securely repair the door without expensive bodywork. The source of the problem lies behind the outside door handle. With repeated opening and closing, this thin section of metal where the handle attaches becomes fatigued and eventually breaks, leaving the door handle detached. Repairing the door would require welding this metal section back in place and repainting it to prevent corrosion. Buying a salvage door like this one might seem like an easier solution, but finding one in good condition and a matching color might not always be possible. And there's a good chance the replacement door will eventually fail just like the original one. Dorman designed this OE FIX door handle repair kit to reattach the outside door handle without any complicated procedures. This bracket installs in place of the missing sheet metal to securely locate and mount the door handle using only basic hand tools. First, you'll need to remove the interior door trim to access the inner door. The plastic prying tools included with the kit makes it easy to remove the trim without damaging it. Remove the interior door handle. Peel back the black tape to access the two forward door handle screws and remove the rubber access panel to reach the rearward screw. Now you can reach the outer door handle. Disconnect the release cable from the handle and remove it from the door. We recommend you apply some touch-up paint to the bare metal where the mounting bracket broke away to prevent future corrosion. To reattach the door latch cable, insert the orange plastic expander tool in the exterior door handle. Install the repair bracket from the inside door, aligning the two holes in the bracket to the door handle, and then attach the door handle to the bracket with the original screws. Once it's reconnected and you've confirmed it works, you can reinstall the interior door trim. If you have any questions about this OE FIX solution or any others, our tech line is there to help.